Hi everybody. I'm happy to be at the Olympic National Park today for a hike. I'm going to be doing the hike up to Lake Angeles. The trailhead is just behind me here. There's another trailhead off to Heather Park. I think I may come back later in the summer and try that one. The trailhead here is just near Port Angeles and the visitor center. You go up the road a little bit and just before the pay station you turn right. The road's all paved so it's easy to get here. I took the ferry over this morning and got here a little bit later than usual. So it's 11:15 and it's around 45 degrees. And another car coming here, better move out of the way. And the hike should be about 3.7 miles and 2,400 feet of elevation gain. Here's a look at the map. We are at the top and we're going to be doing the right-hand trail, the white, coming over here to Lake Angeles. It's fresh and moist. Everything has a little layer of rain on it. You can hear a creek off to the left. I looked at my map. That's the Ennis Creek, E-N-N-I-S. And after a little bit more climbing, we will cross it. We're coming now to the Ennis Creek crossing. Nice log bridge with one railing. Well, I'm really enjoying the hike. I didn't expect it to be damp like this. It's been really wet and rainy the past few days, but you always never know when you get up into the mountains. And yeah, everything just feels really fresh. And it's mid-May, so I know it's warmer other places, and I'm staying out here overnight. Forecast is for sunshine tomorrow, so I'm doing another hike tomorrow that should have clear views, so I saved that for a sunny day. It's really nice to hike in the forest when it's all damp like this, as long as it's not pouring rain. I've come in 2 miles and gained 1,000 feet. So I'm taking a little bit of a rest. I think I'm going to take a layer off, have a little drink of water, and then push on to finish. Once in a while I hear an airplane, but it's been pretty quiet. Not very many birds. Saw one squirrel. Just a few flowers. As I'm climbing higher and higher here, we're just getting into the cloud. I've seen a few people, probably 10 or 12 hikers and a couple of trail runners. I just crossed paths with a couple hikers who are heading down, and they're wearing bright yellow jackets, which is nice. Anyway, they said it's cold up at the lake and it's all fogged in, and so I said I'm going to press on, get up there, take a look around. I have done a couple other hikes before where you get to the top and you can't see anything, but I just want to keep going, and I do have plenty of warm layers to put on when I get up there. Oh, Junkos, hi. Let's take a peek through there. Here's our first look at some water. A little bit of snow still. I'm making my way down to the lake. I did stop quickly and put all my layers on before I cooled off. I have a fleece and a synthetic down jacket and a down vest. There is backcountry camping here, and I believe you would need to get a permit because it's in the national park. Let's see. We are not going to see much. Make my way down there. Well, if you can use your imagination, you can imagine there are 3 sides of a rock mountain, a cirque all around here. I can see out into the lake a little bit. Okay, I'm on my way heading back down now. I just passed the intersection, trail junction, and my phone said that the elevation there was 4,290. So we'll check that. And it did show over 3.7 miles, but I think that was just because it was bouncing around with the cloud cover and being in the forest. So I'm going to try and make my way down pretty quickly, and probably won't film too much till I get back down to the trailhead. I'm back to the trailhead now. My GPS came in at just over 7.5 miles and right on at 2,400 of elevation gain. It was really pretty and fresh in the forest, and too bad I didn't get to see the lake, but maybe next time. So thanks for coming along with me. Hope you're having a great day.